Hey everybody, welcome to VW Life. Today we're moving Martin's 65.
Yeah, we're taking Martin's 65 to the shop.
That's right.
His new shop in his backyard. But Matt Jackson met us over here at TJKHQ, and look here, Matt Jackson, look what's in the work bay right now.
Look at old spot.
Old spot. So yeah, it only took me 3 hours to clean out the fuel line. I've never seen so much gunk in there. Then this thing, remember, had a gas heater and an AC. It had more holes. It was more holes than the Pope.
Oh, so
it was
it's a
holier.
patch.
It was holier than the Pope. So we got that. I got to put a patch of pan over there and a few other spots. But
look at this patina.
oh, look at that! And no more CV antenna hole.
Okay, patch the hole.
Yep, that's it right there. And getting things kind of cleaned up back here, tidying up. So we're getting there. And Matt Jackson, you might notice there's something missing.
The 78.
The 78 vert. Adios.
Okay, so for those of you that were asking, the 78 has found a new home.
The 78 has found a new home. It served its purpose. Semi-rescued it, and some family out east of here is going to restore it.
Awesome.
So it's helping us restore an old spot.
Right.
That's the way it works.
Circle of life, Hakuna Matata.
The circle of Volkswagen life. That's it. So now we are going to go get Martin 65, throw it on the trailer, and then take it to Martin's new shop.
Yes.
Woohoo!
Antics will ensue, so let's go move Martin 65 to his new shop. And his new shop is really nice.
Oh, it's snappy.
Well, we're coming downhill anyways.
Is there less stuff?
Yeah. Most of the tubs are in the house.
You took most of it,
I
right?
took a lot of the tubs. Yeah. The tubs, the bumpers, and a couple other pieces.
All right, Martin, so today's a big day.
Yeah.
The 65 is right there, and
Yeah.
it's going home. How do you
Going
feel?
home. Good. Needs to get done, out of here. It's crazy how light a pan is.
I know. At least it's solid. Yeah. This is your pan.
Yeah.
Are we taking this too?
Yep. If you didn't see the video, I'll put a link to it here, but we got all this stuff when we rescued Martin's Beetle. There's a pan, a beam, a gearbox, and 2 blocks.
Seats.
We got seats over here,
That looks like a weird looking Volkswagen tranny right there.
and then of course the 65.
Oh, it's fucking seized up in it. A little bit. Those are restored transmissions.
Golly, that is weird.
What's that?
That it's kind of froze up a little bit.
Well, they were froze up before too. It was 4 people pushing it. Might be easier just to get it closed and then drag it over. Drag the ass around.
You going? It is in gear. No, it doesn't matter if it's no motor, but it is in gear.
Ready?
One more. Look at that, it's got Jackson.
We have a
We
winch.
have a winch.
For those people in the comments.
How's that side?
We're good. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
One more.
We need to block it from. Just put it between your legs. There you go.
1, 2.
It's gonna go more. There we go.
That's good.
Yeah. Cool.
Alright, beam training feet.
Hand it to me. Here, we'll go around. Jake, let's do the.
Jackson, so we get an old, this is a rotten old core. It's not worth anything. So what we'll do is we'll come in and we'll cut it right here, straight across, okay? Make sure the shaft's out. We gotta take that. And we'll take the shaft out, cut it with a Sawzall, put a starter on it, make it a Volkswagen engine start stand. Just like that, Matt Jackson. Put this right here, Matt Jackson.
Swing around, swing around.
Turn that lip. Yeah. It's that stupid edge. Good God! Damn it.
Video footage of Martin actually breaking his back.
Oh my God, Martin. Flywheel on there. We got these things kind of semi organized.
Is there a method to your thing here?
There is now. It took me a while to get my straps all squared away.
That's that seat. Is there room between that seat?
All right, we're almost all loaded, and I'm personally really excited to go see Martin's new shop. I know you've seen it, Gary.
Oh,
Right?
it's awesome.
So it's a new building on a slab, and we're gonna put this old thing in there.
All right, let's go back to the shop and drop it off.
Well, Jake's backing it into the old. You got it. Keep coming.
You'll notice here there's a pan, that's that pan, and there's a Beetle, and then there's a shed. This is everything that D. White's hauled. Are you excited?
Yep.
Are you excited?
Now
Are
we're
you excited? Are you excited?
What's the name of this thing?
It's the 65.
The
That's
65.
Martin's excited face.
That's his excited face.
Oh, you're doing good now.
Yeah, you're good. Keep going.
Bushes will move.
Right through the hibiscus.
Now we go straight now, straight.
Straight.
I have a dream that one day a man will be judged on his content of his character, not his ability to back up a trailer.
But you did a good job, Jake. Wow, Martin. I can put some footage of us the day we did the epoxy floor here.
Freckle floor, yeah. Went up in a day. Super nice, super tall. And there's enough concrete through the center to put a lift in it if I want to. So, it's good.
Man. So it's gonna get lights one day, right?
Yeah, it has no power right now, so it will have.
Well, this is very cool. This is you obviously care a lot about the car because I don't think this would exist without
Oh, no, it would not.
that.
What other car can you pick the entire cast?
Two guys.
Yes!
I thought I would come over and I'd see all the tombstones everywhere. Run away from us.
All right. Just keep an eye on the front end.
Okay.
So far, so good.
You gotta turn it.
How's the front end look on there?
Keep going.
I don't think that steering wheel does anything, Jake.
We gotta turn it.
We got to drag it.
Three, 2, 1.
Just the body.
The body's not
Body
tight.
just came off.
I told you I was dead.
All right.
Stop.
We are. Ready? Yeah. Come on. Good.
Here we go.
You ready? Hurry. Stop. What are you going that way for?
There we go. It was stuck.
Just now come forward. Now just hit the body forward. Oh, God.
And back.
All right, now back.
Can we get the kind of
Turn it a little bit.
Alright, we get some momentum.
That's good.
Okay, let's go forward a little bit.
Yeah, there you go. You're good.
Go forward.
Yeah, come on. Push it.
Go.
That's good.
Oh, look at this.
Well, there's a lot more room, I thought. Because it ain't even near.
Woo! You put 3 in here easy.
Once you get bumpers on it, you forget.
Well, Mad
Martin,
Martin,
home.
the 65 made it home.
It's gonna
The
sit
prodigal Beetle
It's
has
sit there for
returned.
years like that.
No way. We're going to start working on it tonight.
Yeah, it'll be done by Christmas.
Is that the plan? Christmas cruise? Have
I
it
need
ready?
the other one running before Christmas.
The plan is to get Martin motivated, so everyone leave a comment and a like right now. And tell
Join the
them,
Patreon and make me some money so I can finish it.
yeah, if you guys want to join Patreon, there's a link below. We got to
Yes.
get this
There's
car.
a GoFundMe too.
Go fund me for Martin 65. Well, it's home. I'm excited for you.
It's at least here. So.
Yeah, it is good. It's good. And Jake was here to help push. I didn't have to lift anything heavy, so that's always a good sign.
Yeah, I think the shop's great, and this is just another step in 65's, you know.
But
life.
yeah, I mean, it's home after 16 years. It's finally home, and that's the best, most exciting thing, I think.
Yep.
I'm so excited for you, and it is. Martin's got this really awesome shop. It's a great place to work on it now. So, and that's a big part of everything too, is having a good place to work on stuff and having space and elbow room, and before you know it, it'll be filled up in here.
until I find another car, I'm like, it'll fit.
Oh, it will fit. We can put a lot in here. Thank you guys for joining us on today's VW Life. And make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody about VW Life. This is a part of the VW community. We're here out here, and it's no matter what we're doing, Matt Jackson, it's always something.
Yep, it's always something.
Yep.
All right, guys, thanks for watching.
Bye, everybody.
Well,
Hey, look at that, Matt Jackson. You know what? You know what happens now? This thing gets sides and a roof. And then we go get the 65 and stick it in here.